So Cleva gives you a US dollar account that you can use to receive dollars from clients from anywhere in the world. We know that already. They recently introduced an option for you to receive Naira. Yeah. Now, if you want to switch between dollar and Naira account, if you want to see your Cleva Naira account, click on the dollar icon on the top of your homepage. Then you can switch to Naira. Now, the purpose of this video is to talk about the points and how you will not receive points if you do the following. So, the only two ways to receive Cleva points is if you receive dollars to your US dollar account from maybe Upwork or Fiverr or any freelance platform, or somebody sent you dollars. If you receive dollars to your Cleva account, you'll get Cleva points. If you also transfer the dollars to a Nigerian bank account, of course it converts to Naira when it's sending. You see the conversion rate as well when you're sending. Once you send the dollars to a Naira account, you will also get Cleva points. Those are the two ways to get Cleva points. Now, one of the things that I experimented on before this video is depositing Naira, basically transferring Naira from a Nigerian Naira account to my Cleva Naira account. I sent Naira to my Cleva Naira account. This is corny because it didn't work. When I sent Naira to my Cleva account, I did not get any points. And it turns out you can also not transfer Naira from your Cleva account to another Naira account. So once you receive Naira to your Cleva Naira account, you need to convert that Naira to dollars first. You have to convert it to dollars on the Cleva platform. When you convert it to dollars, you also still not receive points. But when you convert it to dollars, you can leave it there. And I think that's why they built that feature. They are allowing people to send money to their Naira account, then convert it to dollars and leave it there. So if dollar appreciates, your Naira will also appreciate. That is why they built that feature. Now, you're probably wondering, so my friend sent me Naira to my Cleva account and I want to withdraw the Naira. How do I withdraw it? Well, the same process. You need to convert the Naira to dollars first. When you convert it to dollars first, then you can then transfer the dollars to a Nigerian Naira account. When you're doing the transfer, of course, they'll convert it to Naira back for you. And that is how you can pretty much send Naira from Cleva to somebody else who needs the Naira. It's a bit complicated, but again, the only two times you get points is if you receive dollars or you're sending dollars outside of Cleva or from Cleva to, well, any Nigerian Naira account. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps with points and, of course, transferring money from Cleva and locating your Nigerian Naira account within Cleva. Let me know if you have questions. I'll see you guys. Bye.